Hello viewers, we're going to draw an emotions today. So this guy is very sad. Let's draw the emotion. First we draw the eyebrow here, the right eyebrow and left eyebrow, and the eyes are closed. Alright. The lips here, and the water drops coming from the eye is here like this. So this is the basic outline. Now let's put a yellow color for the whole circle. As you see, all right. So it's almost done, the whole yellow part. Okay, so let's make the outline little thicker, and this outline too little thicker. After we draw the eyes, let's make the eyebrow thicker too, and the final one, this is also thicker eyebrow. If you like, you can put some colors like the blue color for the water drops here for making the drawing looks nice. So this is a nice drawing. Let's put few shades. All right, so this is the basic drawing. The guy is crying and sad. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe the channel and do practice at home. Next we're going to bring more nice videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.